Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox games crashing. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox games crashing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about Roblox and you click. Here in this list of app info, we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and don't click here clear data because that can make a lot of problems on your phone. And thank you for your attention. See you next time in another video, and don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. Goodbye.